Chevrolet Corvette Z06.
Unleashing the power of the Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Imagine the roar of an engine that sets your pulse racing. The Chevrolet Corvette Z06 isn't just a car, it's a legend reborn. Its sleek design slices through the air, a testament to precision engineering. Every curve and line screams performance. Beneath the hood lies a beast. The Z06 V8 engine doesn't just purr, it roars, promising unparalleled power and speed. Inside, luxury meets sport. The cockpit is designed for the ultimate driving experience, where every detail is meticulously crafted for comfort and control. The road ahead becomes a blur as the Z06 unleashes its might. With every gear shift, it's clear this machine is built for the thrill. Driving the Corvette Z06 is not just about getting from point A to B, it's about the journey, the adrenaline, and the dominance. Embrace the legacy of Chevrolet with the Corvette Z06. Where every drive is an adventure, every turn a new possibility.
If you like Chevrolet Corvette Z06, like and subscribe to enter the fascinating world of cars.